Alright, let's try this again. I made like a full 3-minute video, uploaded it to YouTube, and I don't know where did it go, so I'm gonna try again. Did I insert coin? Not yet. Okay, I guess I'm starting from the beginning. I gotta insert the coin, uh, push player 1, and then start with the left, right, down, up arrow keys to move, and then with the alt key, I get the key to kill these little enemies that come towards me, and then I have to try to dodge him and kill him at the same time, which is, well, I'm pretty good right now. I'm not so good at this game, probably because I haven't played it long enough, but as any other game, it takes practice. My highest score right now is 154, but I don't believe it's from today. I think it was like from the first time I played. I don't even think it was me. It's probably my daughter. I don't know how she does it. I guess this is their era. Anything that's video game related, they'll like just pick it up in a matter of seconds. All she had to do was play it about once or twice to get that score, and I'm still kind of like, oh, not at that level. Um, oh, I did turn off the sound. It was kind of annoying me, so the sound is annoying. So that's
I'm
why.
reminding you. Drink water. Eat chips.
Okay, game over. Is that my second life? Oh, I went to all the way up to 112. So that
I'm
wasn't
reminding you.
bad at
Drink
all.
water. Eat chips.
Let's see. Should I go one more? All right, let me just do one more. Why is it bringing me to insert coin? Player one, push player one. Wait, is my sound off? I hope not, because then all this video is purposeless. We'll see. Right now I'm just more interested in killing these bastards. Shaming me. Acting like I can't play. Let's see. Alright, so I don't know if I comment on the first video, but this game is very, the graphics are very basic. Not bad for, I guess, for the type of, for when this game came out. Okay, let's go again. Player one start. And oh, also, you could just press enter whenever you want to start again. Uh, I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to play and focus at the same time. Yeah, I'm that kind of player.
Are they in one of the cabinets?
Um, so let's see, where was I? Why is this not moving? Oh, no! Do I have one more life? Yeah, I do. All right, let's go. It's my score 60 something. That's okay. Alright, I did better before. So I'm pretty sure I could do better. It's just a matter of practicing.